Check out this view, guys. Wow. Look at it all. Buildings, lights, glass, metal. Sparkly things. More sparkly things. Okay guys, we're back in Singapore.
Again!
Yeah, so we're going to get off at Raffles place and then kind of walk around the harbour type area. Kind of towards the gardens again, but probably won't go to the gardens.
No?
I don't think we've got time. Well, I don't know. We'll see. We did a lot of walking yesterday. Not sure if we want to do all the walking again today. Okay guys, we're just coming up off the tube, the MRT, the whatever they call it. Here's what it looks like. Gosh, it was very cold in there. Well, in the end, once all the people disappeared, it was very cold. Okay, we have to try and, there's the exit there. That was easy. Time is now like 6:30, which means we've already been traveling 3 hours, and we haven't even. We're almost there though. We haven't even got to the place, but we're almost there. Exit, exit, exit. This way. Okay, see you on top. Okay, guys, we just got off at Raffles, which is whatever this is. Wow. Oh gosh, dizzy.
You want a coffee?
Yeah, coffee. We need coffee. Where are we going to get coffee? We came here because it's kind of one of the closest places for kind of the waterfront-ish area. We may then head to the gardens again, but we'll see. We'll see. It's currently raining. Okay, we're going down. Going back down, people. Back down, back down, back down. So we're just walking around Raffles, and then it goes on to, I guess, Raffles Quay. Raffles Quay quays are usually kind of watery bits. You can see here, there's some like public art buildings, some more public art stuff here, and there's one over there as well. It's kind of, you know, similar to what I was saying before about, or yesterday, or on another video 2 days ago, something like this. You know, these places don't inherently kind of have culture, you know, because it's all glass, metal, concrete, but then they inject this in, you know, which is both, you know, good and bad. I think like it has, you know, there's both positive and negatives to that. I feel, you know, I think it's nicer when the culture kind of naturally evolves, but then on the other hand, you know, it's good for the artist to be exposed like this. Probably quite a big commission, quite a lot of money gone into that. And also people just generally walking down their everyday life, you know, they get a bit of inspiration from some urban art? No, some you know, public art like this. Yes. So now we've gone back down underground. Oh gosh. Careful. This way? Or down these? That one says that. You want to go further down? Okay, we're going down, down, down. Yeah, well, because we're going down underneath the road, basically. So we're going down. Now pop back up, hopefully.
Usually those things are bigger.
Like this. And then suddenly it gets bigger. And there's a 7-Eleven. We can get a coffee. Okay guys, we got our coffees. I also got a red bean milk cream dorayaki. There you go. And
I got not a coffee but order. It's like a oda. It's like a hot drink, but it's not matcha and it's not coffee. I had no idea what's that, but it's with milk. So the lady couldn't really explain, but I decided I would like to try.
yeah, it's green, isn't it?
Yeah.
Can't actually see from the light, but yeah, it's green. Speaking of lights, yeah. What does it taste like?
Tastes like matcha, but no fishy. It's just sweet.
Matcha but no fish. Do we want to go to one Raffles Quay or one Marina Boulevard? I think we want to go that way, but sure, we can go to it. Oh, there's coffee roasters here. That's a real coffee, could have missed it. We've got a real coffee. Anyway, going up this way, going to the top again. Really interesting how much is actually below ground. There is literally, like I noticed on the Google Maps, like there's like different layers of Google Map. I've experienced it before, like for example in Edinburgh, like because there's like overlapping bits of worlds that all kind of go on top of each other. Yeah, but we're, I mean, right now, I don't know, we were at least 3 layers down. Now we're heading back up. Look, it's the real world again. Yeah, I have no idea where we are. Oh, we're on this, yeah, exactly. That's what I thought. So yeah, because, I mean, there's not that much traffic, but yeah, there's not that much traffic, but just because there was like a fence that went all the way along there, we just decided to come down and up and under to try and get somewhere.
There was a Singaporean L'Oreal office. Maybe we should tell them to make blonde colors.
Okay. So whoever wants Asha to have her own hair channel, just comment down below. Look, we're here.
Ah, look, we're here.
Is that thing? Sky Park. That's the Sky Park. That's rain. And then there's like the marina over here. Okay, we're gonna head over that way. Bye. Okay guys, so we're gonna have one of these. What I need.
That the other one. Really good.
So they're like yellow bean. They do taste a bit meaty again.
This is the best.
A lot of people around. Quite a popular place. Also, there's quite a lot of lights over there as well. And so that way, kind of, it's like the park. Well, past the Sky Park. That's the Sky Park up there. Oh, and I've got this in. Try this one. Red bean milk cream dorayaki.
Looks great.
It's basically like 2 pancakes or 2 pikelets, some cream and some red stuff in there. Wow. It's good. Yeah, you can see there, bit of red bean. This is obviously where you do all your exercising. Very nice. Okay. quite nice down here. I think for some reason it reminds me of the Sydney Harbour. Well, I've never been to Sydney Harbour.
That reminds me of Sydney Opera.
Oh, that reminds you of the Sydney Opera House. Yeah, this bit here. Don't know what that is though. Neither of us have internet today, so we're all...
I think that is an opera.
We're just flying blind. Well, plenty to see though. Yes. Okay guys, we're now going for the walk. For the walk.
Yeah.
This way. We're going to kind of head around the harbour a little bit, see what we can find down there.
I call it South Bank because I used to love walking on South Bank in London, and it reminds me about this a little bit. I miss South Bank a little bit, so it's nice to be in a similar place here. So beautiful, look, lights, water, relaxing.
Yeah. Not sure how long I'm going to film because probably eventually this camera won't do any of this any justice. But we'll keep going for as long as possible. Okay. Okay guys, so we're down here. Kind of come down. I think that's like Marina Bay Sands. Is that over there? So it's like a shopping mall, shops, food thing. And then we're gonna walk through here. There's Usher. Looking at the trees. Very cool. Oh, something down there. Oh, putty. It's like mini golf. Mini golf down here if you're up for mini golf. Little restaurants there, see? Oh, it's Mr. what's his name? Gordon Ramsay. Gordon Ramsay thing. And yeah, here's the mini putt. Mini putt.
Wow.
And then there's this thing. What is that? I don't know what that is. I think it might be Samsung actually, just off the top of my head. See that a bit like Samsung. Might be wrong. But we figured out, it is, yeah, see, it is Louis Vuitton. Louis Vuitton over there. But then the thing that looks like this, this over there, we worked out it's the Art and Science Museum, or Science and Art Museum.
That's a shop.
Yeah, I imagine it's Apple. That's right. Okay, so yes, that is the famous Singaporean Apple store, if you didn't know. What an amazing location for an Apple shop. But yeah, so this is basically all shops, I guess, all the way along here. Because, you know, you need to buy stuff all the time. So many things, so many lights, so many nice things twinkling. There's Justin, wherever Justin is. Okay, keep walking. Check out this view, guys. Wow, look at it all. Buildings, lights, glass, metal, sparkly things, more sparkly things. Hello guys, we just been told there may well be a light show here. You can kind of see some like lights and stuff under the water, and then there's this thingamabob here. Not exactly sure what it does or what's going to happen, but yeah, this looks like lights, that looks like lights, all these are lights. There's lights here, there's like a whole track there. Wonder what's going to happen. Apparently it happens in 10 minutes. So we kind of came right at the right time. Strange that. Strange. Let's see. Wait and see. Check it out, guys. We got the fashion. Got the fashion on. You know, who needs Dolce & Gabbana when you've got these things?
Yes.
And Louis Vuitton. Ta-da!
Louis Vuitton, check it out.
And then just up here, you can see the Sky Park. It's about the closest we've got to it so far. Obviously yesterday we were on the other side of it. Here's Louis Vuitton again. Here's the Art and Science Museum where we're going to do a big installation next year.
And our apartment is on 25th floor.
25th floor.
And my fashion show of light fabric reacting to music, it will be shown here as a catwalk as well.
Yes. See the... So yeah, don't miss all of that. Coming to an imagination near you.
Future.
An imagination near you. I have just read up there. Experience a light and water display like no other. Spectra. Showing free nightly from 8 PM at the event plaza. Come alive. There you go, now you know. That's what it is. So yeah, that's what we're waiting for basically. So we'll wait and wait. Okay guys, it's just starting now.